Everything's leaking. Good morning, world. Welcome to a torrential downpour. Good morning, everybody. That was crazy, huh? The whole backyard's just flooded. I go to step outside because our laundry room's outside now, and I step out the door just into water, and I was like, uh-oh. So I have some leaks on the back porch that we need to take care of. As far as I could tell, though, no leaks in the house, so that's good. Driving to work, I have had to take 2 different detours because everything is flooded. There's rocks and dirt and cops, and I just came around the bend on Camelback. Not that that means anything to a lot of you people out there, but the people that know the area. Came around the bend on Camelback, and there were 4 cars just dead, sitting there in 2 feet of water probably, because you came around the corner, you couldn't see it. I mean, if there wouldn't have been cars there, I probably would have drove right into it as well. What a mess today. I mean, thanks for the rain, for sure, but holy hell, this is causing some issues. I have been out of the house for almost 40 minutes, and I am still not at work. Usually it takes me about 20 minutes to get to work. Interesting. It's going to be an interesting day. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. See you soon. Well, hey there, everyone. I am actually off of work for the day. I'm going to work from home, but we're headed home. There was so much flooding and everything going on that, you know, we kind of got a free pass to take off if we wanted to or needed to. There's definitely some stuff that I can do water related at my house to help ensure that there's no leaks, dirt in pool, etc., etc. So I am taking full advantage of that. But I want to show you guys, I know I've showed you guys, you know, the horses as you drive by the golf course on my way to work. There's these metal horses, and they're also drainage, and I figured they'd just be pouring out water, but they're actually not, because the spillway is just completely full. Let me see if I can get a good shot of some stuff for you guys. This down here that I'm walking towards, this goes all the way down and underneath the bridge. Normally that's at least 20 feet down there by those horses, if you can see them all the way down there. That's insane. I'm gonna walk this way. Of water. That's a lot of water. So I'm going to show you these horses up here that act as drainage, and then some other time I'll stop and show you an empty of it. I've never stopped to shoot it off down below to show you how deep it is, but this is a ton of water. so much water. Wow, you guys see those posts? Those are normally quite tall. So much water. I wonder if... Oh, these have the feet marked on them over here? They do. Look at that, over 4 feet. Over 4 foot on this side after it goes through the spillway. That's just crazy. Normally that's a walking path that you can go down there and ride your bikes and all kinds of stuff down here. Not today. Maybe some kayaking, but that's about it. Wow. Welcome to Phoenix, everybody. Phoenix monsoon season. Like, haven't seen anything like this in forever. It's crazy. It's nice and cool too. That never happens. It's usually so hot right now you don't know what to do with yourself. Awesome. Love it. I just can't get over how much water that is. It's incredible. That used to be a golf course. The golf course is going to be messed up now. I mean, it's been flooded before, but not like that. Look at that way off over there. That's insane. I wish I had a kayak. I would totally go kayak that. It'd be a blast. Maybe we should go check into some kayak rentals. Hey, mamas.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How's the J pants? Needy today. Hi, sir.
Say I'm trying to talk, Daddy.
Yeah? What are you trying to say?
Wow.
La la la.
Can you say Daddy? Can you say Dada? Dada.
Daddy's got to go jump in the pool. Long, hard day of work. Time to jump in the pool. You can bring him out there. You just got to be aware of boogies.
It's not that. I'm afraid of the heat.
Maybe he'll like it.
Honey.
Well, hey there.
It's not doing anything.
It's not sucking?
No.
You sure?
Well, yeah, I feel it like a vacuum cleaner, right?
A little bit. It's a lot lighter than that, but yeah.
You guys didn't notice which hole it was in?
Nope, I didn't.
It makes my head hurt to go down that far.
Does it?
Yeah. Hi.
Bye. Almost the end to another day. Just grabbed some Firehouse. Sorry I didn't record a whole lot earlier. When you're busy, you're not thinking about recording, you know, and sometimes you just don't have an extra hand to be holding it around. Need one of those weird mounts that comes like all the way up over my head and just hangs there and just walk around and let it bob in front of my face, or not. Hello? Well, hello. Of course you're nearby. Why not?
This baby's had a little bit of a tough day. He needs to sleep.
John's taking a cat nap. That's not tuna.
Save money. Walmart.
Dinner time, relax time, bedtime. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and call it and say goodnight. You guys have a wonderful evening. I hope you enjoyed everything. Crazy floods going on. I hope you like the horses. And we'll see you tomorrow, as always. Girls, I love you tons. Mwah! Good night, world.